Here's baby's first try at rice cereal.
Didn't quite work. Ready?
What'd you think of that?
I like the bib better.
We're gonna eat the bib.
I like the bib better. Ready?
Oh.
I like the bib better.
Maybe try a smaller amount. Is she eating any of it?
I have no idea.
No, she's just eating her fingers. Yum yum.
Open up.
Oh, what a monster.
Here.
Okay, baby. Smile big for the camera.
It's gonna be really bright.